the only reason you came, isn't it?
Well, I've never seen Hetty move that quickly as that video.
I need bacon.
Mr. Stock, you made it all the way from Wales then?
Indeed, thank you, I did.
Very good. Mr. Allen?
Good morning.
Morning. And Windy, of course.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm off gimballing.
Yes?
Yes.
Okie
Don't
dokie.
ask what that means, it could be rude.
Okie dokie.
I will. So- Okay, Sonny,
Yeah.
do you like the chopper?
Yeah.
And is it worth £50 deposit?
I don't know.
Can Mum and Dad afford £50 deposit?
They're not. She's not my mum.
Oh no! I've put my foot in it already. Never mind. Well, whoever these kind people are,
We are related. We're not random people.
if they want to put a £50 deposit down, you can have a chopper. How's that? Deal? Right then, we're here today with Ian Windy Woodward. So, yes, we're proudly wearing his Sweeney car sales outfit. Look at that, no expense spared. Oh yes, and the not forgetting the original embroidered tops.
With a new.
Yes, and a suitable belly. Yes, very good. Right then, Ian.
Yes.
Ask you a few questions about the car.
Okay, sir.
So, what exactly model is it?
It's the Mark II preface model,
Right.
manufactured 1980. So it is actually tax and MOT exempt now.
So this is a pre-injection
It's the gear. It's got the carburettor.
carburetor, yeah. Automatic,
Yeah, it's automatic.
and it had factory air conditioning
It
as
did
well.
have factory air conditioning. I've removed it.
Excellent. And what sort of interior we got on it?
It's the velour.
Velour.
The velour. On what?
Let's have a look. Oh, chocolate brown velour.
Converted to a manual choke, which I put on the dashboard.
Manual choke. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea.
And it has got my CD player in, because all my music CD. So it's,
Some concessions to modernism then.
yes.
And how much room have we got in the back?
Lots of room in the back. Full of junk at the moment.
Loads and loads of leg room. And you can see how much you can hold in the boot. And a lot of our equipment's still in there.
I keep seeing this emblem popping up everywhere though, but I don't understand who it is.
I know,
It's,
that Union Jack appears everywhere, doesn't it?
yeah. It's,
Right then, Ian, so you've had the car 2 years coming up.
2 years yet.
So what work have you had to do on it since you bought it?
Mainly body work.
Yeah.
However, the rear springs were very, very soft, so I've had some industrial springs made, not just to carry my weight, but when I stick the caravan on the back, it actually stays where it should stay.
Heavy duty rear springs then. Yeah, you can see it's sitting at a nice ride height.
Yeah, but the front wheel bearings, it's had tyres all round, obviously, because I don't know how the old tyres was. But the main shock was the bodywork.
Yeah.
We've got quite a bit of rot on it.
What's on an old Ford?
No,
I can't believe that.
It's rare when it was there. Yeah, the back wheel arch had gone, the sill, the inner sill, and it had actually been filled with. I know Ford do use an expanding foam.
Right.
This were a bit OTT, and it had been under-sealed over, so it had been filled.
I don't think Ford's under-sealed over
No.
expanding foam from the
No,
factory,
no,
that's for
not
sure.
Not at all.
But, well, you've
So-
done a fantastic job on it, mate.
You can't see it, it's the other side, but it's all been cut out, it's all fresh metal, and the bottom of the tailgate has been done as well.
Wonderful. And most important question of all, do you love it?
Oh, I love it to bits, yeah. I do,
Marvellous.
yeah.
Cheers, matey.
Thank you very much, sir. That's a bit of a camera.
So, if it isn't celebrity admin Mike Peake, afternoon. Enjoying the show so far, Mike?
Fantastic, yeah, brilliant. Love the stand.
Yeah, so you're doing well keeping that hot coat on all day. I've given up already on mine.
Well, I'm a professional celebrity.
You are. You've got to keep the look going. I see you guarding the cake supplies for us as well.
That's one word for it, yeah.
Nice one. Now Paul, if we was ever going to have a works club van, look at this thing. Plenty of room for carpet.